بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to science class. Open your book page 5. So students, today we will do exercise of unit 1 and the first question is choose the correct answer. Number 1 is what do we call the place where bonds meet? And the options are organ, muscle, joint and link, and the correct option is joint because we had read that the place where two bonds meet is called a joint. Number 2, which of these is the name for the bonds in the head? Options are skill, skull, spine and joint, and the correct option is skull. Number 3, which of these is not one of the 5 senses? And the options are sight, belief, hearing and touch. Sight, hearing and touch are senses and this one is not. So the correct answer is belief. Fourth one is which is the odd one out? Hip bone, rib, jawbone and skin. Hip bone, jawbone and rib are bones and the skin is not. So the correct option is skin. Fifth one is which part of the body is used to breathe with? Options are brain, heart, lungs and stomach. So the correct option is lungs because lungs help in breathing. Now the second one question is how many joints are there in these body parts? Use the pictures in this unit and your own body to find the answers. First one is middle finger. Look at your middle finger. How many joints are there? So there are 2 joints. Number 2, thumb. There is 1 joint. Arm. There are 2 joints. Third one question is which bone protect the following important organs? First one is heart and lungs. Heart and lungs are present in the rib cage, so it is protected by ribs. 2 nerves in the spine. Do you know what are nerves? Nerves are thread-like structure and the function of nerve is it carry messages from brain to the body and from body to the brain. So the nerves present in the spine is protected by backbone. Third number is brain. So brain is present in the skull. So skull protect the brain. Okay students, now come to next page and leave question number 4 and come to question number 5. So question number 5 is write in the blank columns the names of the sense organs and senses you will need to experience the items and actions in column 1. Some may need more than one sense or sense organ. Students, these are actions or item. And for these actions, which organ and senses we use, you will write here. Students, I had filled this, but I will read for you and you note down in your own books. The first one is perfume, organ, nose, sense, smell, sunshine, organs, skin, eyes, sense, touch and sight. Soap, nose, skin, eyes and senses, smell, touch, sight. Pickle, पिकल अचार को कहते हैं. टंग, नोज, आइज एंड सेंसेस, टेस्ट, स्मेल, साइट. ड्रमिंग, ईयर्स, स्किन, आइज, सेंसेस, हेयरिंग, टच एंड साइट. सनसेट, सनसेट सूरज का गुरूब होना. ऑर्गन, आइज, सेंस, साइट. सैंडपेपर, सैंडपेपर, रेगमाल. स्किन एंड आइज, सेंसेस, टच एंड साइट. क्लाउड्स, आइज एंड सेंस, साइट. सिंगिंग, ears and sense, hearing. Fur, skin and eyes, senses, touch and sight. Banana, tongue, eyes, nose and senses, taste, sight and smell. Okay students, our first unit is completed. So see you next time with new unit. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.